Mr. Marsha? Yes, girl. I have a piece of situation to tell you with me, master. Me all shame to talk about it. Pop story tell me no liar. You hear about the girl Trisha down the road? We had the nice money man when I take care of her. You hear about it, don't? Yes, bruh. Everybody say that the man they a blessing to her. They must have see what the man a do for her. The man give her house, car, everything. Run off your life nice. Yes, bruh. Girl from where they minute up look pan the girl. Every minute me admire her. And me a look at me and say the girl lucky, you know. And then me start measure up my life with fear. And me I say, how rent due? Me nah no money. Me nah no food in the house. And so guess what, girl? Me decide say, me a go take the man from her. Yes. So every day me know say, the man pass for me gate for go down to where she dey. Me dress up a morning time and me go out pan my gate. Go on like me a look ride. 2 mornings straight the man pass me and I say nothing. The next morning he decide say him a go give me a ride. So when the man give me a ride, me start give man beer vibes and thing and make the man know how he nice. Me say girl me decide to me I go all out because I have to take the man from her. Me well want to take the man, me desperate. And so the man asked me, say, if me know him. And me I say, no, me don't know you. And him I say, come from down the road and you have a fiance down there. And girl, the way me desperate, me I tell him, say, look here, I don't feel worry about that. Me not like me like you, you know. Fiance or no fiance. Now you can go on with that thing. Come here and say, look here. So me say, girl, one morning, me put on a little piece of mini skirt and a little belly skin blouse. And me decide, say, yeah, today are the day. So, the man drive past and the man see me. And the man pass me, you know. And it's like he go down the road and turn, come back up and see me. So the man say, where you go? Girl, just because the man I go the opposite direction than the direction me normally go, but tell you the way that me I go. Jump in the car, my love. So the man asks me, say, what is my plan? I tell him, say, me just a cool out. So he asks me, say, what me I do for the evening, in the night day. I tell him, say, no, me just stay on board. If you want to carry me out, he say, alright. I go carry me out for a drink and thing like that. And I say, me excited, you know, girl, come me decide, say, yes. Me I go take him now. Anyway, me just tell him, man, say, no, but me not go nowhere. Me I go prepare for later. Go me yard, take out my best dress, everything, fix up myself, girl. Cause me feel like me defeat the girl down there, so you know, me take the man, you know. Me take the man, cause me, yo, the girl that live lavish, and me have to take that from her. Me want a life. So girl, the man come pick me up. The man carry me go out. But the place where the man carry me go on Backabush area, like some bar in a country area, there's like, me I say to myself, say, maybe the man now carry me go somewhere if make people see me and him if go tell the girl that I first thing come to me. But then me I say, by the time me win him, me never care. So by the time me win him, it's nothing to me. So I decide say me I go roll with the same way, master. And me say, girl, I will drink, I will marry me love. But all in my head, you know, me I say, yo, if he meet that girl there for the first time and give her so much money, when he meet me that time, then me must get a good money, master. So all me did afraid boy the look money way man give me. Come here rent due the next day, you know. And so we did it. The man asked me say if I want to go home. I tell him say I don't have to go home because I don't have chicken or child. I say anything, yeah. Anything for take him because all I need is a one shot and I know so when I'm done with the man that him now go back to her. So I say, girl, he decide say he might get a place for we stay for the night. So I say, alright. I say if he now go home to her tonight, that means say, yeah, I go stay with me. Anyway, we go get the room. While we going up the room, the man give me a nice Kyle of money. Elastic up. Me see the first $1,000 bill wrap around that Kyle. Me I say, yeah. If the rest of it $1,000 me dear, I want a nice 100 grand that. Me I say if the rest of it even $500, $50,000 that. And me I say me rent a 40 grand. So me say, yeah, me happy. So I decided to make a lick it on him in the night there. I make sure see me time. Girl, when we go in the room, girl, me never hesitate. Me just start game good. Me make him and go on like. I me say, by the time we done, the man say he can't stay, you know. He have to go end up drop me home because he have to go home because he not really stay out at night. Me I say the plan is he say we are going to stay, so why he sudden change your mind? Anyways, me make sure secure my Kyle. I have in my hand. And the man carry me home. We left to go home and the man drop me off. Girl, me not even want to check him money in front of the man to look like me desperate. So anyways, I decided to say, me a go in. Girl, before me even lock the door, flip down my bag, grab the Kyle of money, open the Kyle. Girl, the first thing in the Kyle, what you see Rappy, $1,000 bill. But you see the rest of the money, a pure $50. Pure $50, girl, when me look. A $5,000. $5,000 out of $50. The man can me. The man give me a wicked can. Somebody there me say, ain't good to that the girl about. He can me. I can't believe Star man can me. Me dear, I didn't do something the long I cause. Hush.